Thank you, Will. Well, we're a family-owned business that started up in 1981. Our focus then and today remains about the same. It's the supply and the distribution of reinforcing products, primarily rebar, welded wire mesh, and most recently GFRP, the fiberglass rebar. For about 35 years, we catered strictly to lumber dealers, the building supply stores. But I guess we realized many contractors source their materials from specialty stores. So about 7 or 8 years ago, we decided to open our doors to this segment with a retail outlet. We offer fiberglass as a building solution, and it's helped us capture a bigger share in the concrete marketplace that we work in. The residential builders that are looking for cost savings and efficiencies have started switching over to fiberglass, especially in the use for driveway slabs. Our competitors, the Canadian manufacturers of GFRP, have offered a polyester product for this non-structural type flatwork. Over the next few years, we need to educate, I think, the end users about the difference between the poly and the vinyl-based GFRP. I think being transparent should help us accomplish this. 2021 presented a few hurdles. Just imagine opening up a container and finding 22,000 pieces of fiberglass in there in 10-piece bundles. It took us 3 days to unload using 3 people. You know, we've got through that. We had a couple more containers come in that way, and now the packaging is so much better and easier. So the handling concerns of the packaging is, it's just one of the hurdles you start with when you're starting with a new product. Today, the mill packages in 200-piece slings. They provide a lifting strap on each sling, and it allows for a very easy forklift unloading. It really takes about 3 hours. It's a huge improvement. So these kind of changes will really help advance sales and acceptance of GFRP. As this product gets used more and more, the benefits of GFRP will become very apparent. We've always had a good base of flatwork contractors coming in here for rebar. And we had a competitor in this marketplace that did offer a GFRP. So they had already done a little bit of homework. And so our customers, the contractors, were already used to seeing some of this available. And I think as they took ours and compared it, and we'd like to think we have a better product. In fact, we know we have a better product. It was just a matter of them knowing that it was available here and then picking it up here. Everyone that used it came back with very positive feedback from standpoint of lightness, ease of handling in the workplace. So that was all very positive. It was a cleaner product to work with. Ours doesn't have the basalt coating that the other competitor has. It's a little heavier. It's a little bigger. It's a full 10M. So there were some things that they really liked using about it. And we've been doing this in steel with these folks for quite a few years. Steel prices were going up and have continued to go up, especially this year with all the problems in the world. So there's a pretty good gap now between GFRP and say a stick of 10M rebar. And of course, the builders are always looking at efficiencies. They're looking for something that does the job better, as well as something that's efficient to their pocketbook. And GFRP does that in both senses. I feel that the best way is to get it out to as many people that can use it. And so for us, a dealer network, a distributor network, where we have other stores selling the product in rural communities, in the big centers, the more that this product is available, more people will use it. We'll have to push and educate people the benefits, because it's not just a price benefit. There's other benefits. So this will only just grow. I'm not saying it will replace rebar in all applications, but certainly for a lot of the flat work that we're involved with, I see this as a great alternate. The buying patterns of our customers varied from a few hundred pieces for a small little project or job to several thousand pieces where a dealer said, I'd like to stick it on my shelf and sell it right beside some of the other reinforcing products they sell. So understanding and getting those people on board and then sort of maintaining that, I guess, watch on their sales so that we don't get caught flat-footed was fairly important to us. So that's how we sort of tackle that problem. Product. I mean, the proof is in the pudding. Using this product and seeing the benefits all across the board, I think will very quickly change a lot of people's minds that fiberglass might be inferior to steel. I happen to think in some cases it's better. So my advice would be to use it on the first project you get a chance where you can use it, and then go from there and take a position with it, because this product is here to stay. For us here, we feel that we've paired up with the right manufacturer or the right company in Canada to move us forward with this. And so we're prepared to move more of our resources to that product line for sure. Positive. And you know, when you speak to Chen, the owner, you can see the passion is there to continually make this a better product, to make SFTec the best product out there. And with yourself, Rick, there's an emphasis on service. We've not taken big steps. We've taken a lot of small steps. And so for anybody new, certainly the first step is jumping on board. It's a difficult one because there's so many unknowns. I'm very confident that we've all made the right decision to team up with your company. I can say that SFTec has rebounded and given us a great product, a polyresin bar that has been very well received.